Hello students, I am Gurmeet Singh. Welcome to CREATA Classes and also welcome to our series on triangles for class 10 student. Note that this complete series is as per the latest updated syllabus, and in this complete series we will cover all these chapters using the power of animation and the visual tool to make the tough concept easier for you. In this lecture, we will cover the side angle side theorem proof, that is SAS theorem, and the link to all the lectures is given in the description. Check it out. And students, one important thing, do not forget to download the PDF of the concept and formula list. The link is given in the description. That will be really helpful to solve the question and also brush up the concept whenever you are having the exam or whenever you need so. So without taking any further time, let's start with this lecture. Best of luck. The theorem 6.5, also known as SAS, side angle side similarity criteria for two triangles. As per this theorem, if the ratio of the two corresponding sides are equal and the angle in between the two corresponding sides are also equal, that is side angle side are equal, then we can say the two triangles are similar to each other. So this is the SAS criteria, side angle side. Note that the angle should be between the two corresponding sides. Okay. For proving the same, let's check the triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here the two sets of the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal to each other. Let's check the corresponding sides as AB and DE and also AC and DF. So basically it is given that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. The ratio of the corresponding sides is given as equal to each other. And the angle in between the two corresponding sides is also given as equal, that is angle A is equal to angle D. This is given in this proof or in this theorem. And we have to prove the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So let's proceed. The first step is to assume the point P on the line segment DE such that AB and DP are equal to each other. Also take the point Q on the side DF such that AC and DQ are equal to each other. The same step we have taken in the previous two theorem. So we got DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. Let's join P and Q. We got the triangle DPQ. So let's take the given part, that is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. Let's replace AB with DP and AC with DQ. The same, just the sides we have taken as equal. We got DP upon DE is equal to DQ upon DF. Let's inverse this equation. The same thing we have done in all the previous equation. We got DE upon DP is equal to DF upon DQ. The next step is to subtract 1 from left hand side and right hand side. We got DE minus DP upon DP is equal to DF minus DQ upon DQ. Here DE minus DP is equal to PE. This line segment, the complete line segment is DE minus this line segment DP, we got PE. And DF minus DQ is equal to QF, this line segment. Okay. So we got PE upon DP is equal to QF upon DQ. Again we will do the inverse. One inverse we have done in the starting, and this inverse we are again doing to neutralize the effect of the first inverse, just for your understanding. So we got DP upon PE is equal to DQ upon QF. Are you matching with the previous two theorems? The steps are almost similar. We have to take the equation, we have to do the inverse, we have to add one or subtract the one, again we have to do the inverse. So the steps are almost similar. Let's move further. We got DP upon PE is equal to DQ upon QF. These four line segments. Are you able to correlate this with the BPT theorem? That is, if these line segment or the ratio of these sides are equal, then PQ and EF will be parallel to each other. So we got these two line segments as parallel to each other. That is the converse of the BPT. So what will be the next step? Just try to link with the previous two theorems. We will apply the concept of the transversal and we will equate the corresponding angles as equal to each other. Okay. these two line segments are parallel, we can extend these two line segments and we can assume the line segment DE as the transversal. And in the transversal, the corresponding angles are equal. Same concept in the previous lecture. We got angle P and angle E as equal to each other because these two angles are the corresponding angles. Similarly, if we take DF as a transversal, we got angle Q and angle F as the corresponding angle. So these angles are also equal to each other. Now, if we compare the triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, is both the triangles are congruent to each other? Yes, both of these triangles are congruent to each other by SAS congruence rule. Side angle side. The AB is equal to DP, this side is equal, and angle A is equal to angle D, that is given, and AC is equal to DQ by construction. By SAS congruence rule, both of these triangles are congruent to each other. Congruence means all the angles will be equal. So by CPCT, we got angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q. The same thing we have done in the previous theorem. And here we have just proved P and E are equal and Q and F are equal. So B, P and E will be equal to each other. So all these three angles will be equal and angle C, angle Q and angle F will be equal to each other. All the three angles will be equal. Now let's compare triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the main triangle which we have to prove as similar to each other. Here angle A is equal to angle D, that is given, and just now we have proved angle B and angle E are equal to each other, and also angle C and angle F are equal to each other. So all the three angles are equal. So by angle criteria, the similarity criteria, we can say both the triangles are similar to each other. So have you observed, all the three theorems are almost similar. We have to prove some of the triangles as congruent, some of the triangles as similar, the concept of the transversal, the concept of the corresponding angle. AB and DP are equal, AC and DQ are also equal, which help us in proving the triangles as similar or triangles as congruent. So basically the basic concept in all the three theorems are same. My advice to you, how to do the revision. First step, again watch the video of all the three theorems, do the revision. Step number 2, try to correlate the three theorems. What is the starting point? Have we start from the given ratio of the corresponding side, or we have start from the triangle or from the angles? All the three theorems, what is the starting point, and try to link the complete procedure of three theorems, what is the common, what is the difference, and how we have achieved the end result. This is the step 2. Step number 3, close your laptop, shut down your phone, do not look at the video. Try to solve all the three theorems separately on your notebook. At present, these three theorems will be hot in your mind. So my advice is that if you do these three theorems now itself, it will be permanent in your mind. So follow these 3 steps and you will never forget these theorems. So students, we have done with this lecture. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture created using the power of visualization, our unique way of teaching. And do not forget to download the formula and the concept list. The link is given in the description. And also this series or this lecture is part of the complete series on the triangle. The link to all other videos are given in the description. Also check it out. So thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Have a great day and meet you in the next lecture. Bye for now.